To replace the turn signals, you will first need to remove the front bumper. Please follow the link provided at the end of this video for additional assistance with that task. With the bumper off, you will need to first remove the headlight washers. If you are replacing both lights, the procedure is the same for both sides. The washer assembly fits with a friction fit on the bumper, red arrow, and two plastic clips on the turn signal assembly, blue arrows. Press in on the tab for the fluid line, red arrow. With the tab pressed in, slide the line back off of the assembly, red arrow. There are two plastic clips that hold the assembly to the turn signal unit. Use a small flathead screwdriver and gently squeeze the tabs in, red arrow. Use care if you are reinstalling the unit. You do not want to break these tabs. With both tabs released, slide the assembly down and out from the bumper. With the washers removed, you can remove the turn signal assembly, red arrow. Squeeze up and in on the electrical connector, red arrow, and separate the electrical connection. Use a T25 torque and remove the 4 screws holding the assembly to the bumper cover, red arrows. I also like to remove the screw indicated by the blue arrow, as it gives you a little more room to remove the turn signal assembly. Rotate the assembly out from the side first and then remove it from the center. Installation is the reverse of removal. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and check out another video in this series.